BGAPT specializes in the design and development of world-class products for a diverse set of applications. With top-quality systems and a great customer support, BGAPT Tech Solutions have become the supplier of choice for its customers. We serve our customers across the globe: India, Thailand, Vietnam, Saudi Arabia, Poland, and Mexico. As the Industry 4.0 is gaining traction, more and more manufacturers are eager to find solutions best suitable for them. BGAPT helps manufacturers in digitalization via a range of products. One of them is OIDS. Introducing OIDS, the Operator Instruction and Display System. OIDS is a client-server-based architecture. Stations on the production line are connected to server with a two-way communication and on display depicting the performance of the line. Departmental dashboards to track the issues occurring on the lines. User console for remote monitoring. And built-in functionality of reporting and notification. This is a sample line architecture. Every station on the line is equipped with an input console, operator touch console, and a supervisor dashboard. To start with, the operator will scan barcode on his ID card, enter his password, and on successful login, production screen will be shown to the operator. No turnback. Manufacturing continues and dashboard records and saves the data. If there is a turnback, operator presses the button on the input console. System will prompt operator to select the nature of concern. On selecting the concern, the system will then send live alert online and departmental dashboards as well as an SMS, WhatsApp message, and email. OIDS gives you a number of advantages like paperless system, quick changeover, downtime reduction, live monitoring, bridging the gap between shop floor and top floor, eliminates manual error, setup sheet digitalization. OIDS is independent of manufacturing environment. Moving assembly lines and stationary assembly operations, packaging line, cell manufacturing, process flow lines, production lines. For any query, write to us at info@bgaptsolutions.com and sales@bgaptsolutions.com.